What's up everyone, welcome again to Knowledge Joe channel. For today's video I will introduce you to trend line, how to apply trend line into your trading, and where we get our entry right, and where we take profit, and where we should apply this strategy properly into binary option trading. And when I said binary option trading, so it's mean that any kinds of binary option. It's not just about IQ option, so you can use it in OLM trade, pocket options or IQ option, or you can apply it in your forex trading. I think it's also workable into the technique. So in order to trade the trend line properly, you needed to select the market that also represents the trend. So if the market doesn't have any kinds of trend, so we are not going to use our trend line technique into that kind of market, because trading onto the market with no trend and applying the technique with a trend line, so it's not logical to make profit already. So this just to bear in mind that the market have to be recognizable, and have to have a price, and then have to have a very horizontal kinds of trend. If the market doesn't have any trend, so don't use this technique. Okay, now we're looking at Great British, Japan. Okay, here we can see that the price is the market is moving upward. When you see that the price moving upward like this, you can apply the trend line into this kind of market. To draw the trend line, first we look into the support line. Where is the support line? Okay, draw your support line right here. This is, we call that the beginning of the trend. This is we call fall trend. This is downtrend, and this is uptrend. And then where is the beginning of a trend is right here. Then you go into your graphic tool, go into trend line, start at the beginning of the trend, and then up to the current. Where's the current? This one I call it the current price point, where it's rising back up and now it's falling back again. So we will wait for it to come close to that trend line, and we will trade one more time. So this is the very most recent trend point that we get right now. It starts from the bottom right there back to that top. And then we have another one to check where the up and where the down, where is the highest and where's the lowest of the trend. And we're not going to draw another trend, we just copy the trend line, another one, to have exactly the same direction. Just go into clone right there, and then we select into the top. So where's the top? We want to see that top. 2 point of the trend will be a strong one. The top is around here. This is where the strong top. This is where it's falling back, and where it is falling back there. 3 here. There is no strong top right there. We call the roof of the trend, where we can check. I think maybe around this area, because it seems like this area is very strong top. It's kind of like up and down around that area. So okay, let's get into this one. I guess this should be the one. This one, yeah. Because we can see that a lot of price is getting resist around this area. So just make that one just as a top right there, and then we copy another one to have our bottom. Copy another one, and then we have our bottoms. This is the bottom of the trends, but normally they don't. The market not really able to reach that bottom. So this is the bottom of the trends right there. Yeah. Not really strong, because the market is not able to reach that trend, so you don't see any pattern of that just yet. But just leave it there, because maybe it will come to that later. So we have the middle where it is break around here, then it's get the price moving upward from this after the break, and then moving upward. We see that this is the bottom of the support price. Getting to the next one is here, where the price getting back reverse. And then if you move your candle a little up higher, you can see that this is strong support, where the price always move upward around this strong support. So I believe that more will be on to the buy around this area. Onto the buy. Okay, let's go on to buying after this one. Yes, this is where normally the price getting into the buy area. It doesn't reach this one here. I don't see that as the price going to get into that one pretty soon, unless they create a resistance, a strong resistance on top, so that it can be fall. Okay, we see the resistance now, right there. This is a resistance. So we see that resistance. So this is the reason that the price is falling. Okay, let's put that into. This is the reason that the price is falling. Into the red one. Oil. So this is where the price is getting fall, and this is where the price getting up, rise higher. Okay, after you have three good trend line, and we look into the pattern from that relating to this trend line, you know, where the market move and where it's come close to that trend line, and where it's normally getting, you know, reverse and, you know, getting back up high or getting to fall that. So I can see that this line is where we normally going into the buy, but before you go into the buy, we're waiting for the candle confirmation when the price is not able to break this one. We see that strong push up there, and the way that we are trading is we go into 5 minutes trading. This is 4-5 minutes. This is the good one. We go into this one here. So when the price is falling, so we will back up $250. This is, we call that $250 back up at this blue route down there. So when the price is falling into that middle, and then we will back up into another one right there. So I will go into high like this one, because this is where the price normally getting back up, coming to the middle blue, back up, middle blue, and then black back up, and then here also creating the same. But we can see this one is already break one, and then it's getting back up. Okay, pretty interesting. But anyway, we have 3 minutes left, so we still have a hope that the price will be moved back into an uptrend. If the price moving down lower than this one, maybe around this area, and we also getting 250 ready, and we will follow another one. So okay, this one is wrong, so I will show you another one also, so that is a good one if we are missing this one. This is also the good point also. Okay, the price will be moving down to the blue, and then we will follow another one. Okay, let it come closer, because it's still on a very strong, you know, uptrend. So it's really possible that the price getting back into up direction. So that's why we trade in 5 minutes. So if anything is wrong, it's not as my prediction, or if the market is not as our prediction, then we can follow up. So that's why we need to follow up another one here, maybe 200 or 250. It really depends, but I am happy with $250 to follow another one. But the entry point, it should be coming close to that blue. So now we still have you know, a hope of a reverse. So we're not gonna follow, and we still have 1 minute and 2 minutes left. So that's fine. So we can see the prediction here. If there is any, you know, red volume is strong around there, we don't see it yet. So I think we are right around here. Okay, this area. Yes, this area. So the best way to trade is to wait for the price to reach that middle, the middle line that we just draw, this one. When it's come so close to that middle line, and then we can go into the buy. But actually I go into this one pretty too soon, because I see the volume here is strong. So I thought, I was thinking that it should getting up back around here, but somehow it's reject back down with the volume sales coming in, then it's moving. So that's why we go in 100 and then we prepare for another trade right here. So I think I will not follow if I still wrong on this one. So it means the market is pretty hard to predict already. So I will not follow. I will let it lose this point, and then we will have another one to recover if we are wrong. Okay, if I am wrong. So this one. So the reason we have this trend line is to looking at the pattern of the market, where the market normally back up high and where the market normally falling back down. So when you see that pattern, then you can make your prediction, and your prediction is more precise, more good, more correct when you learn about the whole pattern in the beginning of the trend, starting to the current situation of the trend, and then you can see that, and then you can see the pattern of the market pretty solid, and we can make profit out of this kind of trend line. So so I am right here. So the market is really getting back up higher at this middle line right there. Okay, and then they will going up higher for sure, and then there are resistance right there. So do not overlook at the resistance area, because this resistance area also tell us something, that the price always falling. When they come close to that price point, and then it's fall, come to that price point, and then it's fall back again. So many times it's falling around this area. So that can be the reason also. We not overlook that. So when you are trading, you choose the 5 minutes period, and if anything going into wrong, and we can make it right later on. Okay, I think that's it for now. If you have any questions about this kind of technique, just comment down below, or you can chat to me directly on Telegram. So I'll be happy to answer that. But the best way of all is leave the comment down below the videos, because every comment down below the video, I always read it, and I always respond back in the comment if any questions that you have asked me. So guys, that's it about the trend line, how to use trend line, and where you should going to buy, or where you should going to be sell. So when you have the trend line so clear, you can see the pattern of the market so clear. And when you see the pattern of the market, this is where you can make your prediction right, where you can guess that the price will normally going back up at this area, or the price going to get back down at these areas. Okay, that's it guys for today's video, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.